So when I say coloring, that's where that book comes in. Hello, good afternoon. My name is Halima Audu. I'm the Creative Director of Hair Hall Nigeria Limited. I'm a professional hair colorist, taking your wigs from one color to another using only the best and safest means only. We offer different services: wig making, revamp, and the likes. This is also a salon where you can walk in, do your braids, your cornrows, your wash day. We can do all that for you here. We also sell the best hair you can find in the market, quality raw donor human hair. We have different types. We have bone straight, wavy hair, all gotten from the best sources. We offer styling services, the best styling services, and only professional staff that style your hair using only the best and safest means. We also offer braiding services. You can come in, you can book your appointments to braid your hair. We offer installation services. We also offer wig customization services. We also offer revamp services to treat your hairs, bring them back to life. If you have any dead wigs, you can bring them back to us, and rest assured, we're going to bring your wigs back to life. We also offer ventilation services. If you have any wig that's balding out, that's becoming bald, that's thinning out, that's not looking like my own, please, you can bring them to us for us to make your wigs look good and for us to bring your wigs back to life. You can reach us on Instagram at hairhall.ng_, and you can also talk to us on WhatsApp on this phone number 09046938514. And also we're located at H&A Plaza, Idris Kidado Street, Wuye.